This is a Nissan Qashqai from year 2016. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the braking light at the back. This one. The braking light on the left here is working. But the braking light on the right is not working. So here is so bright, but it's hardly see it, but I can tell you the right one here. Hey, let me open it. Only the two is this screwdriver. This one is the good one, and what sort of this adapter to unscrew this. So use this one. Put this on. I select the right one, right size. Put it here and screw it. Unscrew the lower one. I can do it by hand. So I use this card to go to here. One hand I hold here, so it's losing now. I hold one hand here, and the other hand you put the card inside. You can feel there is a resistance here. So one notch is here, another one is around here. So you can feel the resistance. So what you have to do is put it backward slightly with a little bit reasonable force. Now it's detached. So with the wire, you can see it. You can see the wire. This is for the upper light. And this is for the reverse light. This is for the reverse light, I think, and this is for the brake light. And you can see the notch is this one attached to here, and the other notch is this one and go to here. Okay. Now I can this connector, I can unplug it with a slightly press on the right hand side. Slightly press it and take it out. And this one is the light bulb. The lower one, this one is the LED. You can zoom it out a little bit. This one I do with the twist, anti-clockwise. And here the click sound, and the light bulb is out. So this one is now fully detached. Okay, here. For the light bulb, it's very simple. There's a two connector, one at the side, one in the middle. For the LED, there are three wires. It's supposed to be one is positive, the other is the other two negative, and the other one probably is the ground. And now I put it in, test it again. It works. That's good. So everything is finished. I put this back. This find the right position, and then this time's the clockwise. And this one connector, the notch is at the bottom. You can see the click sound. And now put this back, the whole thing back. There is one hole here, another notch is here. So like this, all the thing parallel, and give it a gentle push. You hear the click sound. Put a screw in. Probably do it by hand. And then you can tighten it. Yep, that's it.